Imagine this. You've just received your paycheck, and after covering all the essentials, there's still a little left. You think about treating yourself, but another idea pops into your mind. What if this small surplus could grow, build upon itself, and help you secure your future? Welcome to the transformative power of investing. Dive into the 5 essential principles for beginner investors and turn that thought into a profitable reality. Welcome, finance enthusiasts, to Money Sense 101. Unearth a treasure trove of investing insights by diving in with us. Make sure to subscribe to stay updated. And if our tips and tricks resonate with you, give us a thumbs up. Principle 1. Start early and think long-term. In the world of investing, time is your most valuable asset. It's not just about how much you invest, but how long you let that investment work for you. Take compound interest, for instance. The magic transforms small, consistent contributions into mountains of wealth. As those contributions earn interest, that interest begins to earn interest on itself, creating an exponential growth curve that turns modest beginnings into considerable sums. A profound Chinese proverb says, "The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now." This wisdom doesn't just apply to trees. It also speaks directly to our financial journeys. You may regret not starting earlier, but lamenting lost time won't serve you. Instead, embrace the present moment. It's worth emphasizing, you don't need massive amounts to begin. What's crucial is that you start. A humble amount, consistently invested over time, can lead to impressive results. So if you're holding back because you feel like the amount you can set aside now isn't sufficient, remember, every incredible journey begins with a single step. Begin your investing journey today and let time do the heavy lifting. Principle 2. Diversify your investments. Let's imagine you have 10 apples. If you put all 10 apples in one basket and something happens to that basket, all of your apples could be lost. But what if you spread those apples into different baskets? Even if one basket tips over, you still have apples in the other baskets. That's the idea behind diversifying your investments. In the world of money, it means spreading your money into different areas like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This way, if one area isn't doing so well, the others might be doing just fine, keeping your overall money safe. You might think, how can I spread my money in many places? Well, there's an easy way. There are things called index funds and ETFs. They are like magic baskets that already have a mix of different investments. You're spreading your money by putting it into them without all the extra work. Remember, diversifying is like safety armor for your money. It's always wise not to put all your eggs or apples in one basket. Principle 3. Educate yourself continuously. Have you ever played a game where the rules keep changing and you had to keep up to win? Investing is a bit like that. It's not like riding a bike. Once you learn it, you're good to go forever. The world of investing is constantly shifting and changing. Imagine it like a big, ongoing class. New lessons pop up as markets change. New investing methods are discovered, and significant events worldwide can shake things up. Like in school, you might miss something important if you don't keep up with your studies. But don't worry, you don't need to become a money expert overnight. A simple tip, take a little time each week to learn. Maybe read a money article, find a book at the library, or watch an excellent video online. Bit by bit, you'll build your knowledge and make smarter choices with your money. Remember, being a lifelong student gives you a significant advantage in investing. Principle 4. Avoid emotional decisions. Now, let's talk about feelings. Ever been on a roller coaster? Up, down, and all around. It can be thrilling, but also a little scary, right? With money values increasing, the investing world can sometimes feel like that roller coaster. Here's the thing. Just like on a roller coaster, it's essential not to make big decisions based on that scary drop or exciting rise. Some people might see their money value drop and panic, wanting to pull out. Others might see a sudden rise and want to put all their money in, hoping to get rich quickly. But acting on these intense feelings can lead to mistakes. Instead, think of investing like building a puzzle. You have a picture in mind, your long-term plan. And even if one or two pieces don't fit right away, you don't toss out the whole puzzle. You stick with your plan, remember the big picture, and stay patient. So when things get wobbly and you're unsure what to do, Take a deep breath. Remember your long-term goals and try not to make quick decisions based on feelings. A clear plan and sticking to it is the best way to succeed in the long run. Principle 5. Monitor and adjust. Think about growing a plant. After planting the seed, you don't just walk away and hope for the best, right? You regularly check on it, water it, and maybe move it to the spot with better sunlight. Like caring for that plant, looking after your investments needs regular attention. Investing isn't like storing your toys and forgetting them in a box. It's more like caring for a pet or plant, where you check in, see how things are doing, and make changes if needed. Why? Because the world of money, just like the weather, can change. Maybe something in your life changes, you have new goals, or the money world has a big shakeup. If you're not watching, you might miss something important. So what can you do? Simple. Make it a habit to check your investments from time to time. Maybe mark your calendar every few months as a reminder. Look at how things are going and see if any changes are needed. Just like giving your plant the right amount of water and sunlight, your investments can grow healthy and strong with regular care and attention. Now, let's quickly go back through what we've learned. We talked about starting early, like planting and letting a seed grow. We learned not to put all of our apples in one basket and the importance of spreading out our investments. We also discovered that learning about money is an ongoing adventure and keeping up is essential. Remember how the money world can feel like a roller coaster? We talked about not making choices because we're scared or super excited. And just like checking on a plant, we must keep an eye on our investments and adjust as we go. All of this might seem like a lot, but guess what? Every expert in anything started as a beginner. Think of these 5 principles as your roadmap on your money journey. So take a deep breath, believe in yourself, and kick off your investment adventure today. You've got this.